We're stopping by here and buy some iced coconuts and some drinks. Hi, Mother. Look at all this fresh pineapples. Hi, Mother. Oh, yeah? So, dyan lang yung dagat. Pwede ka lang mag-park sa gilid at maglangoy-langoy. Ali, come on, Ali. Oh, look at this. Look at this big pineapple. Oh, wow. May tubo sila dito. Oh, black sugar. This is really good. Jack, we used to have a plant like this in my aunt's house. Pineapple is so sweet. This thing is so sweet. Hi, Ali. Naman kami dito sa Kaya's Market or store. They have more right here on the side, Mother. They also have that. Hello. You can get tattoo and breakfast. Mongolian beef, ahi cakes, garlic, shrimp, and ahi cakes. Oh, that sounds good. Hello.
Mom, these are ahus.
What are ahus?
Ahus.
Oh, tattoos with no T. Ganda ng bakasyon natin, guys. There's a liquor store right here. Surf and turf combos. They also have kitchens. Mother, they also have kitchens right there. There you can order some food. Oh. Ganda, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, Ali. Matching kami ni Ali ng outfit. Oh, yeah. Ay, yung mga sponsors natin, Char. Thank you for my sponsor. For my accommodation sponsors. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, guys. How's your coconut? How's your coconut? Yan yung large coconut nila, $12, guys. Ayan,
We don't have the spoon.
No, we have the spoon in the car. There's a spoon. We have the spoon in the car.
There's the spoon in the car.
Oo, nat. Tuwang-tuwa, tuwang-tuwa.
Say tomato.
Tomato?
Don't say tomato, say tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Without a T?
Yeah.
That's a big shave ice. And we got our coconut. Alisa ordered a smoothie. Ali, how do you like the sugar cane? Sa Ali ka pangkus ka tubo. Ganito yan. Harap ng tubo. How do you like the sugar cane? How does it taste? Good? Yeah? Nga daw. Sarap. Bumili kami ng tubo dito, guys. $7. Yung tubo. So good, ha? Bumili din kami, guys, dito ng turon at saka mga prutas. Fresh yung mga prutas nila dito, guys. Ang sarap. Pilipino din yung may-ari ng tindahan. Thank you for watching.